Welcome to MoonALisa Tarot, your monthly guide to self-awareness. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is your message for December 2021. Let's get started with the reading. The first card is of the Language of Flower deck, and you got Heart's Ease, Compassion. Tread a little more tenderly. Sagittarius, is there something that is weighing you down? Something that is worrying you? Something that you don't like about yourself? If the answer is yes to the one or the other question, then you may want to consider self-compassion instead of judging yourself harshly. Speak more tenderly of yourself. So this month, Sagittarius, you're asked to ease heart matters, to be easy on yourself and not to get tangled up into too many thoughts, worries that can create tension within yourself. Sagittarius, this flower, Heart's Ease, is calling on your compassion to be easy on your heart, to not give away energy into thoughts, into words, into actions that may put your heart at dis-ease. And I don't mean illness, but simply a form of imbalance. If you express compassion toward yourself this month, you will strengthen your heart. Now let's look at the steampunk mini card in support of the Heart's Ease card, and you got the Lovers. And those cards go very well along together. One speaks of the heart, compassion, and the other one speaks of love, and we see you in a very magnetic relationship where you and your partner are very connected. You feel very close and both in their own ways enlightened. Your guardian angel is blessing this union. But for some reason, your heart is not completely at ease. There is an imbalance. And that is why this little flower is asking you to be compassionate toward yourself. And probably also to be compassionate toward that other person, the partner who is not exactly how you are, because both of you are different. Now let's look at the other cards, how they resonate with these two opening statements. The next card is of the Surrender deck, and you got Surrender the idea you can fix someone. Now, Sagittarius, it is obvious that you have an imbalance, that you are not completely satisfied in your heart about your partner. You have been hoping that you could fix the other person. The Surrender card is asking you to let go of the idea of being able to fix someone. You can only fix yourself, and the other person has to fix themselves. You cannot do the fixing other than for yourself. You need to understand with this card, there's a necessity to stop judging yourself and criticizing yourself. Probably your partner is judging and criticizing you. And with the surrender card, you need to come to the understanding that you're free to love who you are. And nobody can tell you who you should be. Not even the person closest to you. Once you come to understand that you need to let go of this idea altogether that you need to let go maybe of this person, even though there is a deep connection, a magnetic connection, then you will understand that you are on an endless journey through eternity. And if you allow to surrender, then you will be again on a wonderful adventure, and you will never have to go again through this particular experience. Underneath the card it says, each person must be accountable for his or her own healing. And in this card we see you are already undergoing this month a healing, as the card is mostly green and you wear this green jacket of protection. On the back she is carrying some bows, and the tips of the bows form a heart, and you're ready to shoot the one or the other arrow into another direction than where you are now. Meaning that you're willing to surrender the idea that you can fix someone. You may shoot your arrow into the direction of another person. The next card is Door to Personal Healing and Happiness. Right after you release the idea that you can fix someone, or literally you release this partner, if necessary, if they really are not willing to change themselves or heal themselves, this door to personal healing and happiness opens up. And yes, you're already in the healing mode through the surrender card. And with this number 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, everything that you need will come your way at the perfect time. And this perfect time is now, this month of December. And should you need to have to ask for help, help will come to you in form of symbols like this dove, a rainbow. Because you will tell life what you want, and then you allow it to happen. And you know that your thoughts that you choose to think and to believe just then are creating your future. And these thoughts come from experiences of today, tomorrow, next week, and next year. With this card, you learned that every thought can change your life because you're wide open, like this window or door, to new experiences, to expand your awareness. The next card is manifestation. And this card is very similar to the Magician. It allows you to manifest anything you desire because you are in a heightened state of awareness. You seek advice from your angels and guides, the universe, and you will receive enlightenment. Everything you touch can be enlightening this month. This month, Sagittarius, you're shifting your thoughts, your words, your actions, because you understand that positive thoughts and beliefs will create your future. You will replace old beliefs with new beliefs. And through that, you are free to love who you are, and you no longer judge or criticize yourself. Once you step through this door of personal healing and happiness, Sagittarius, you will receive support through the universe. And at the right time, a wonderful surprise will await you.